A very cheerful morning to all my lovely children. You know, today I've brought a very interesting topic for you to learn. I know you all love stories, isn't it? So today we are going to do something related to the stories. Okay, are you all ready? Today we are going to learn about story writing. We are going to learn about story writing. In story writing, I will be telling you a story verbally. Okay? I will narrate a story to you. You will listen to the story carefully. You have to understand that story carefully. After that, I will give you a paragraph with the blanks in it. And you will have to complete that story using the words given to fill the blanks. Okay, so are you all set? Okay, here we go. I will be telling you a story. You have to listen to it very carefully. What is the story all about? What are the characters? What are the scenes happening in the story? And then you will complete the story. Okay. So here we go. The story that I am going to tell you is about the cap seller and the monkeys. Cap seller and the monkeys. Who is a cap seller? Cap seller is the person who sells the cap. So listen carefully now. The story begins. Once upon a time, there was a cap seller. He was having lots of beautiful caps in his basket. He was going to a village to sell his caps. He was going to a village to sell his caps. On the way, he felt tired. He was very tired. So, he sat down under a tree to take some rest. He sat under a tree to take some rest. He kept his bags of caps or the basket of the caps on the ground and sat under a tree to take some rest. And soon he fell asleep. See, he was sleeping here now. Very soon he fell asleep. Now you know something. On that tree, who lived there? Many monkeys lived there on the tree. So what happened? Those monkeys looked at the caps. They found the caps very beautiful. So they all came down and took away the caps. They all came down and took away the caps and climbed back up on the tree. Now, after some time, the cap seller woke up and he found his caps were missing. There were no caps. He found all his caps were missing. He looked up. The monkeys were wearing the caps. He said them, he cried to them, throw down my caps. But it did not help. See, it is crying, it is asking the monkeys to throw down the caps. But it did not help. Then the cap seller knew that the monkeys are imitators. Monkeys are imitators. You know what are imitators? When you copy something, imitate something. I have told you this word before, right? So imitator means those who copy someone. नकल करना. आप कहते हो ना, देखो वो मेरी नकल कर रहा है. So imitating means to copy. This man knew that the monkeys are imitators. Whatever I will do, they will do. So what he did, he quickly threw down his own cap. Look, he quickly threw down his own cap and thought now monkey will also throw down the cap. And yes, the same thing happened. Monkeys also threw down the caps. Then the cap seller collected the caps and went away happily. So, did you like the story? Okay, I will repeat the story for you once. Once there was a cap seller. He was going to a village to sell his caps. He felt very tired, so he sat under a tree to take some rest. And on that tree there lived many monkeys. They came down, they took away the caps, and climbed back up on the tree. After some time, the cap seller woke up and found his cap missing. He cried to them, "Throw down my caps!" But it did not help. Then the cap seller knew that the monkeys are what? The monkeys are, yes, the monkeys are what? They are imitators. So he threw down his own cap on the ground. And then, very next minute, all the monkeys threw down all the caps. The cap seller collected the caps and went away happily. So, did you like the story, guys? Yes? Okay. So, now there is an exercise for you. This is the story in the written. Okay, the story what I told you is the same. So you can see few blanks over here because this is the incomplete story. So you have to complete the story by filling up the blanks with the help of the words given here. You can read the words once. Rest, threw, village, collected, missing, imitators. Now we will read the sentences and we will fill up the words from here. Let's start. Once a cap seller was going to a where the cap seller was going? To a village. That's right. Going to a village to sell his caps. He was very tired. So he takes dash under a tree. He takes what? Rest, through, village, collected, missing or imitators? He takes rest. That's right. Under a tree. Soon he fell asleep. There lived many monkeys on that tree. They came down, took away the caps, and climbed back up the tree. After some time, the cap seller woke up and found his caps. Caps what? Missing. Found his caps missing. He cried out to them to throw down his caps, but it did not help. He knew that monkeys are dash. Monkeys are what? What will come from these words, out of these words? Monkeys are rest ho gaya, village done, missing done. Imitators. That's right. He knew that the monkeys are imitators. So he took off his cap and threw down. Monkeys did the same and dashed down all the caps. Dashed down what? Threw down all the caps. The cap seller dashed his caps and went happily. So what the cap seller did with his caps? Only one word is left, that is collected. The cap seller collected his caps and went happily. Okay, so this is the worksheet which you have to do now in your notebooks. Okay, you have to write this entire story in your notebook and fill up these blanks. Okay, kids, so learn this story. You can narrate this story to your parents or to your siblings and enjoy the storytelling, the story writing. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.